Alright, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make $1 million within seconds. Alright, so first, what you want to do. Yeah, and that's how you make $1 million. You can probably make more if you're smart. Well, I'm not smart, as you can tell by. Yeah. Say hello to my dog. Anyways, if you made $1 million off of this video, I'd like to get a share because I'm the one who helped you. Even if you made like 1,000, could you like split 50-50? Or at least give me like a $20 bill? You know how it be sometimes, right? You just need money, but you don't have it. So you need money? Yeah. Yeah, I get that sometimes. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Fuck off. Get $1 million. Share. Like and subscribe. You know what they say. Things that stay in Reno, leave Reno. You got that?